This is Grampy Rabbit's Dinosaur Adventure, which is a lot like that jousting ride that they have over at LEGOLAND Florida. The difference with this one is adults could ride it too. So I'm gonna go in there and ride. And what even makes it even cooler, it is dinosaur themed. Awesome. So let's get on in there. Yeah. Oh, they don't make this for fat guys. This is really uncomfortable, guys. So I don't think this was the one they were thinking of when they created this ride. Oh. Oh, it bounces up and down like a little horsey. Ooh. I'm also way too tall for this ride. Oh God, I'm gonna wait. Can't wait till this is over. If it was just a little taller for me, this would be great. I'm getting my stretches in tonight. Boy, what I do for you guys. I'm certainly not going to ride this again. As number one, I do feel kind of ridiculous. And number two, it is very, very uncomfortable for a taller, fat guy like me. Oh, jeez. Oh. They don't make this ride for fat guys. It's very uncomfortable. Oh. Oh. Almost done. Thank you, God. Oh, thank Jesus. It's almost done. Oh. Oh. Oh, thank God. Ooh. Thanks. Ooh. Okay, I did that once. I'm never doing that again. Ooh. That was fun, but very uncomfortable. Alright. Well, quickly, I've been forgetting to point these out, but here's one of those sensory guides. Like I mentioned, or I might have mentioned, that the Peppa Pig Theme Park here is an official autism center. So it's definitely an added important part for this park. If you have a child who has autism, definitely helps this park. Alright.